In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget planner using Canva in just 5 minutes. Budgeting is an essential tool for managing your finances, and with Canva, creating a personalized planner is simple and enjoyable. We'll start by heading over to Canva's website. On the homepage, there's a search bar where you'll want to type in budget planner. Press enter and you'll be taken to a new page where you'll see a variety of pre-designed templates crafted by talented artists. Take a moment to browse through the selection. Look for a design that speaks to you, whether it's the color scheme, layout, or overall style. These templates are fully customizable, so find one that you think will help make organizing your finances a little more inviting. Once you've chosen a design that you like, click on it. This will bring up a larger preview and an option that says customize this template. Go ahead and click on that to start customizing your planner. Canva's editor is user-friendly, even for beginners, but if you've used it before, you'll know how powerful it can be for customization. Now, this is where the fun begins. You can change the text to reflect your specific categories such as income, expenses, savings, or any other financial goals you might have. Feel free to switch up the fonts and colors to align with your taste, or even add new elements and graphics. Remember, the key is to make this planner work for you, so feel free to experiment until you're satisfied with the look and feel. If you're in a hurry or are pleased with the template as is, you can skip the customization. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Share. Clicking on it will produce a drop-down menu with various options. Here, you'll want to select Download. This step is critical because it saves all your hard work to your device for easy access anytime you need to review or update your budget. Canva offers different file formats for download, like PDF or image files, so choose the one that best suits your needs. For a budget planner, a PDF is usually the most versatile and easy to print option. After selecting your preferred file type, you'll see the download button come up again. Make sure to click that to begin downloading your planner, and voila! You now have a personalized budget planner at your fingertips. Whether you opted for a quick download or took the time to personalize yours, you are now ready to take charge of your finances in a stylish and organized way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to take control of your budgeting in a more creative and effective manner. Thank you for watching and happy budgeting.